Hi everyone, tonight is Songkran. Happy Songkran everyone. Happy Songkran. It's the 13th of April, Thai New Year. It's a bit quieter this year because we've had another flare-up of COVID, unfortunately, in Thailand. So the government has asked us not to travel and we're doing a dinner at home. Thai hot pot. Thought we'd share it with you, fill you in on what's going on. You know those videos where everything goes wrong? You may not know them, but they happen when you're a YouTuber, and this is one of them. We've got an inundation of flying ants buzzing around. It's been raining for a few hours now, and dinner's about an hour and a half after it was supposed to be, but we'll make the most of what we got, and we're gonna have a yummy dinner. Orn has prepared a broth and that is bubbling away there. Orn's gonna start adding the stuff to it. We got a big mix there that she's prepared. We've got some pork liver, we got some pork loin, fish, squid, prawns, and she's marinated it. We put the recipe down below and it's all got egg mix through it as well. This style of eating is always popular in Thailand. It's from the northeast. You'll find it at restaurants and it's very popular for home cooking as well. We do it reasonably regularly. It's kind of our Sunday night thing here that we do at home pretty often. Orn's also prepared a big mix of vegetables there. We've got some moonflowers, which we grow in our garden. A lot of this stuff actually has come from the garden. We picked some stuff earlier. She's got some morning glory, some bok choy, there's some Thai basil, Chinese cabbage that she's adding there now, and she's also got some glass noodles as well. Yeah, that's full. I don't think you're going to get much more in, but got to add the basil for flavour. Then mix them all up. And then you put the lid on for about 3 or 4 minutes and that'll all be cooked. So as I mentioned, we have had a flare-up of the COVID virus in Thailand now. This is the 3rd wave, the experts are saying, and the numbers are going up. It's stayed pretty constant for the last 3 days. There have been just under 1,000 cases each day. At the end of March, everything was going well. We were down to 20 to 30 cases a day, but on April 2nd, the numbers started rising again and they've been going up since then. So hopefully they'll be able to bring it under control. But as I said, they have asked us to stay at home, not go traveling. Yeah, everything's cooked already? Yeah? All right. Grab some of that if I could, please. Thank you very much. Looks good. So, how is it? Good. Also got little bowls of sauce there that you can dip your vegetables or your meat in. The sauce is a Suki hot pot sauce specifically for this purpose, and you can buy it at supermarkets and 7-Elevens in Thailand. Very, very tasty. So I went out today shopping and it looked like all the restaurants were full. Went and had a look in Ao Nang. This is traditionally a time when Thai people travel. Normally people go back to visit their families. There were loads of cars from other regions I could see, so people have obviously travelled, making the most of the holiday. This is the longest holiday that Thai people get in the calendar year. Obviously people can't resist the temptation to travel. Hopefully we don't have a bigger surge of virus cases in the next couple of weeks, but we'll see what happens, I guess. It's absolutely delicious. The flowers, you didn't add any of them yet?
Yeah, add already.
Yeah, added already. Okay, I didn't see them go in. They can be eaten fresh and they can also be eaten in soups and curries as well. We've been eating quite a few of them. I've been having a lot in curries recently. I don't really have a lot of flavour, but they've got a nice texture. Kind of good in the mouth, a good mouthfeel. It's a pretty simple broth that Orn makes. It's normally just stock powder and some daikon initially, and then what did you add? Some kaffir lime leaves?
Tomato chili, lemon grass, jalan gao, and this one, Thai basil.
And Thai basil. Always comes up very tasty.
Shallot.
And shallots. When you empty it all out, you just add more and you can take your time and cook it as fast or as slowly as you want. It's a very social dinner, get lots of time to talk, and it is absolutely delicious. If you want to make this at home, you can make it just in a standard pot on a stove as well. I do that sometimes for an easy and tasty lunch, and you can pretty much add whatever ingredients that you want to it. Our Nang was definitely packed today. There were loads of people. It's the busiest I've seen it since February 2020, and there were lots of people about today on the beach and lots of people returning from tours when I was there. But it was certainly nothing like Songkran normally is there. So we're going to leave you with some Songkran footage from 2018 that I never uploaded. So this will be new footage for you, and hopefully we'll have a normal Songkran coming in the not too distant future. So stay safe everyone, and happy Songkran to you. We will see you all very soon. Bye for now. See ya.